So now I see how I've arranged the chicken in one layer around there. That fit pretty good. Usually I get really big drumsticks and I end up standing them all up and then flip them all over and cook them again, but we're going to do it like this today. First of all, I sprayed the inside of there with no stick canola oil, and for seasoning I put a little bit of the salt, pepper, garlic stuff I mix up myself, but for the most part it's going to be lemon pepper on your chicken, okay? And that's good. So we're going to cook that for about 15 minutes, I think 400 degrees, and then we'll flip them over. Usually when I fill the whole thing up, loaded to the top, it's 20 minutes and then 20 more minutes, but this is going to take less time. Power on. Air fry, which is 400 automatically. Timer. 15 minutes and go, okay? That should do a good job on those. Beep, beep, beep. 15 minutes, come and gone. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. That's perfect the way I like it. The skin is a little crispy. So now we're going to flip all these chicken over and put some more seasoning on it. Okay, first, same as the first deal before. Salt, pepper, garlic, and some more lemon pepper. I flipped them all over. We're going to go 15 more minutes. Here we go. Okay, gang. It's been 15 and 15. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. It's done perfectly. Like I said before, when I filled it up before to the top, I went 20 minutes. But with that amount, 15 and then flip them, and 15 more was perfect. Okay, let's take a little poke at one of these here just to see what it's like inside. Fully cooked and steamy. Perfect. Perfect. I'm liking it. Very good. Air fryer, you can't beat it. Cooks faster, cooks thoroughly. You could leave it in there to keep it warm after it's done for a little while. Okay, guys. Go get some chicken while it's on sale and eat up.